Keha ngā marama o te tau Pākehā. What are the months of the Pākehā year? Just like the days of the week, they come from the Gregorian calendar system, the Pākehā or Western system of tracking time. These days we prefer to use these kupu mino, transliterations or borrowed words, for the months of the year. This is because these are from a borrowed system of tracking time. Remember, this is different from the environmentally and star-driven maramataka, the traditional Māori way of following time. Just as with ngā rā o te wiki, the days of the week, when Te Reo Māori became an official language, a process was undertaken to create words for many different Western concepts and items. When it came to the months of the Western calendar year, names were assigned to the Gregorian months from Te Maramataka Māori. Now that's pretty confusing, as the months in Te Maramataka are led by the rising of certain stars. At the time, back in the 1980s, the Māori Language Commission decided to use month names from Te Maramataka Māori that occurred at approximately the same time as the Western calendar months. As we've already found out, with the revitalisation of Te Maramataka Māori, it makes a lot of sense to return to using the transliterations for the months of the Gregorian calendar. It'll definitely save a lot of confusion over which month is when in both calendar systems. Now it's time to practice the kupu mino for the months of the Gregorian calendar system. Kōrero mai, repeat them after me. Hānuere, pēpuere, maihe, āperira, mei, hune, hurai, ākuhata, hepetema, oketopa, noema, tihema. The first 6 months of the Gregorian calendar year are named after Greek and Roman deities. Let's give them a go again. This time, say them at the same time as me. Kōrero mai. Hānuere, pēpuere, maihe, āperira, mei, hune. July is named after the famous Roman leader Julius Caesar, whilst August is named after the first Roman emperor. The remaining month names come from the Roman numerals for 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's practice these names again now. Kōrero mai. Hurai, ākuhata, hepetema, oketopa, noema, tihema. So, although you will still hear the names allocated to the English months by the Māori Language Commission back in the 1980s, most people these days are turning back to using the kupu mino names for the months of the Gregorian calendar year. Just like the kupu mino for the days of the week, these kupu have been in use for the last 2 centuries, since Europeans arrived in Aotearoa. Remember to leave the borrowed time system with the borrowed words from now on, so there's a clear difference between ngā marama o te tau Pākehā and ngā marama o te tau Māori. Now it's time to ask what month it is in the Gregorian calendar system. Ko te aha te marama tēnei. What month is it? In our answer, we simply use ko followed by the name of the month, then tēnei, which means this is the particular month. Let's practice using our kupu mino names for the months of the Western calendar system. Kōrero mai, say this pātai with me. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. One more time. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. What month of the year is this? Ko hānuere tēnei. Kōrero mai, ko hānuere tēnei. It's January. Pātai mai, ask me the question again. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. What month is it? Ko hurai tēnei. Kōrero mai, say the answer. Ko hurai tēnei. It's July. Kōrero mai, ask me the pātai this time. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. It's September. How do we say that in Te Reo Māori? Ko hepetema tēnei. Kōrero mai, ko hepetema tēnei. Pātai mai anō, ask me the question again. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. Ko āperira tēnei. It's April. Ko āperira tēnei. In our last practice round, let's go. Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. What month is this? Ko tīhema tēnei. It's December. Ko tīhema tēnei. Now it's time for you to practice asking and answering the names of the months with your friends. Remember the pātai? Ko te aha te marama o te tau tēnei. What is the month of the year? And then ko and the month, tēnei. If you need a little practice of the months of the year, let's go through them one more time quickly. Hānuere, pēpuere, maehe, āperira, mai, hune, hūrai, ākuhata, hepetema, oketopa, noema, tīhema. Time for your mahi kōrero now.